Hey, how are you guys? It is Harrison Barron, the Millennial Entrepreneur. Now, in this video, we are going to be covering how much money I made from Amazon affiliates in 2021. Now, I do want to share with you guys a ton of tips, tricks that I've learned along the way, and ultimately, I learned a massive mistake that I'm going to share with you throughout this video that will help you make crazy money compared to what I did because, to be frank, I did it wrong. But now I'm learning the right way to do it. And I want to share with you guys what I think 2022 will bring me as far as affiliate revenue. Now, I am not a affiliate marketer. I'm a digital marketing agency owner, but I happen to be dabbling a little bit in affiliate marketing, and I'm starting to see where the real money lies. So we're going to dive into all of that in this video. Now, if at any point during this video you have a question, I may or may not answer it through the rest of the video. Please leave it down in the comments down below. I'd be happy to make either a response video or to reply directly to you guys. So without any further ado, let's jump into my computer. All right, so right off the bat, we have Amazon pulled up. Now, if you're not an Amazon associate, it is as simple as going to Google and doing Amazon Associates, and it should come right up here. It's going to be that first link, and it should take you no more than 5 minutes to join. Now, I get no benefit out of doing this, but I do think it's really, really important for people to go in and at least be able to see how to sign up. Now, these are my numbers here, and we're going to go to a more easily readable scale that I've already pulled up. And this is how much money I made in the last 30 days. That doesn't particularly matter. Let's go to preset dates here, and let's do last year. So this is all of 2021 between both of my websites. I only made $67. I know it sounds kind of crazy. You're like, I'm never going to do affiliate marketing. But I learned a lot along the way that I did wrong. And this is really what I want to share with you guys. Because quite honestly, had I known, you're going to look at this massive spike. Obviously, it's December. People are taking money out of their wallet. They're ready to spend some bucks. But overall, I'm not that upset with it. Now, this is from two different websites, like I said. You'll see here that I have two tracking IDs for a website called Bottle and Ash, and then for my personal stuff, which is really under Harrison Barron, although I do some stuff at Growth Generators. So in here, you're going to be able to see all of the products that I sold. Now, throughout the entire year, I sold about $2,400 in products for Amazon. That's a decent amount of products. Now, I only get paid on a very small sliver of that. I mean, $67.20 is what I made for referrals. But you'll see here that I did get a fair amount of clicks. I got a fair amount of orders, things that I'm not upset with. But let's think about what this actually means and where I really went wrong. Now, this is really driving traffic from two websites and from my YouTube channel, such as this one. There is links down below to everything I use in this, and everything is an affiliate link. So I will get paid a very small amount of money on that. Now, is anybody going to get rich on $67? Absolutely not. But let's see if I can't do the year prior. The year prior to this, I think I only made about $13 because I didn't know what I was doing. And you can see an obvious uptrend in here. Now, I'm going to share with you guys some of my more popular articles. Now, if you're in this space, I do ask politely, please don't copy what I'm doing. I'm going to be very upset because I work really, really hard on my articles. But we'll pull up my two websites, harrisonbarron.com, and my other website, bottleandash.com. Now, Bottle and Ash is all about cigars and bourbon. And harrisonbarron.com is just personally everything that I'm working on, helping people with, LinkedIn, podcasting. I happen to have a podcast in the top 3% in the world. And because of that, there is some opportunities to make some money. So in here, you're going to see social selling, right? Social selling when prospecting. But really, my most profitable article right now, or at least I believe, is one of two articles. And that's where I went wrong. I didn't focus on monetizing throughout this entire process. I didn't put enough Amazon affiliate links in any of this. I also could have leveraged other resources such as B&H photography. There's just so many outlets out there for tech, cameras, video, whatever you're into. Trust me, there's probably an affiliate out there. I made a video about this, but Home Depot and Lowe's have affiliate marketing programs. You could go on there and sign up. Now, many other programs pay way more than Amazon, but Amazon has everything that people want, and it delivers in typically 2 days. So this is my entire article here. You'll be able to go through and see Movio, professional lavalier interview microphone. Right? If you click this, it goes to an Amazon link. That's exactly what I'm pitching. Now, there's one problem right there where it's not bringing you to a totally different screen. That's an issue. I need to make that so people don't just completely leave my stuff. Now, if you're not familiar with it, when somebody clicks on your link, they get a cookie. That cookie's on their computer for 24 hours. That will either expire or get replaced if they use somebody else's Amazon affiliate link. So they have to buy pretty quickly or not be interrupted during this process. That's where it becomes challenging. But if you see, there's definitely some products in here that I've never spoken about, right? Immune support, defense booster, Rockville 2-person podcast recording stuff. I've definitely talked about that, but there's definitely some things in here that I've never ever mentioned, right? Carhartt's baby redwood jacket. I don't know what this is, but somebody bought it using my affiliate link. It's not a cheap product, right? So all of these products were purchased and ultimately I got paid for them, which is very, very cool. Now, like I said, I hadn't been doing it right. So what I missed, a couple different things. One, I didn't focus enough on products that I was talking about. So I mentioned them. I may have even linked to Amazon, but I didn't even think to connect it to Amazon so I could get paid on it. That was problem number one. Problem number two is I didn't go in depth enough about a lot of products. So if you go into here, more posts, and you'll be able to scroll through and see, should I start a podcast? What do I need to know? How to scale fast, automate and grow your business through podcasting. There is probably, I can almost guarantee it, no mention. There's no mention of any affiliate links in here. I mean, it's crazy. How to set up your podcast for less than $250. This is an optimized article to make some money on. But for the majority of these articles, there is no possible way I can make money because I didn't think about it going into it on how I can monetize these articles. Now, what I will say has been very effective is actually converting visitors into sales, or better yet, onto my email list, right? Where you see, did you enjoy this? You can subscribe. But in here, there is so much potential for me to really monetize and grow, and I'm not. Now, I do plan on selling a product down the road, which will probably be an online course. However, for me, this Amazon money wasn't enough. Now, I need to go back and redo a ton of articles and think about where I'm going to plug that in, but I could have done better, and that's a mistake on my end because I hadn't watched a video like this where you can really focus. You can talk about a lot of different ideas, topics, and niches in your industry, but I didn't talk about the physical products in the industry. And when I did, I didn't link out to them correctly in order for me to get paid on them. So that was one of the biggest problems. Now, what does 2022 look like? Because I'm sure you're probably curious, because I'm curious to know what 2022 looks like. If we look at it, we could let's do this year. All right, so January 1st to January 26th, which is not anything crazy. I mean, we're only 26 days in, $11, right? That's not enough money to really make out and say like, wow, I'm going to be filthy rich. But that's okay. That's a start, right? If I do $11 every single month, that's 120 something dollars at the end of the year. Now, once again, am I going to get rich? No, but I have the entire year to go through my old content, to optimize it, to start writing new content to help it rank, and ultimately figure out where there's potential areas missing. Now, like I said, we have harrisonbarron.com and we have bottleandAsh.com. These are two very new websites, right? Which is the best torchlighter to buy. There's going to be Amazon affiliate links scattered throughout here. Now, we're working progressively on ranking higher and higher in these areas, and they are good articles. But you'll see they do have shop here buttons, which is great. This is fantastic, but we're not quite ranking where we want to rank just yet. We have a bit of work to do still on this website. I still have a bit of work to do on my own website, but ultimately, I'm missing the boat on a lot of stuff, and the numbers tell me. But what I can say is if I go to my search console, and this is something that you should be looking at, especially if you're an affiliate marketer, and you see the traffic over time, there is definitely a definitive growth, especially as far as clicks, but even total impressions. And if I look at my last 12 months, you're going to see a massive trend in the right direction. So am I going to make $1,000 this year? I hope so. If I make an extra $1,000 or $2,000 or $5,000 a year extra, that's great money that I get to make more passively, creating something that I love. So if you're thinking about doing affiliate marketing, it's definitely something I recommend. If you're interested, get on my newsletter because I'm constantly giving away good tips. I produce it pretty much every month, guaranteed, but sometimes every week or so, just to give really good information like this. This video is going to go on that newsletter, and people are going to be able to see it first before anybody else. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys got something from this. This is just something that I really enjoy doing. where I could teach people how to make money online, how to do some affiliate marketing, and this is just passive income. This is like the definition of passive income. Yes, did I have to work on it in the beginning? Of course I did. But now that it's there, I do have to go back and touch it up every, I don't know, 6 months. But for the most part, it's pretty passive. And as you get better at being in SEO, or you get better at making videos, or you get better at podcasting, or whatever you're into, more and more affiliate sales are going to come. I have friends of mine that are doing hundreds of thousands of dollars in affiliate sales. And before you think, oh my goodness, well, I don't have a product to sell, there's websites like ClickBank. My own course is going to have an affiliate offer where people can sell it and I'll make money on it. There are so many different options out there to sign up for. So it's digital products. There's software that's involved. There is, I mean, the list goes on and on. Physical products that are going to get mailed. It's not just Amazon. You just have to look and start using Google the way it's intended to find the answers that you're looking for. So I hope you guys found value in this. I hope you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, little notification bell. I'll see you guys later. Till then.